Good morning, friends. This is Devesh Chandra, now nicknamed Technocrat Yoga Guru Devesh T Guru. Uh, Again, this is a morning motivational message for the people who are skipping morning chorus during weekends. See, till you were growing, your degeneration and regenerations were balanced. Rather, regeneration was more and degeneration was less. But at some point of time, the growth stopped, and maybe for some time, degeneration and regeneration was in balanced condition. Then, after that, the degeneration started becoming more and regeneration starting becoming less. That's why the cells starts dying and you find the aging is visible on your skin. And when it is much more, it is hanging, the skins are hanging everywhere. Face is the correct place to visualize it. So what is happening? If you don't take care of your body, not medicines on your own, then degeneration will go on increasing and so many diseases will crop up. So if you are not doing anything and thinking that by taking pills and by modern medicines you will heal yourself, you are in misnomer. It is not possible. Healing will happen only with your effort and a guided direction is given by Adi Guru, Adi Yogi, Shiv Baba, to follow Ashtanga Yoga. In that, Yam, Niyam, Asana and Pranayam to be followed by Grihast. This is my view, personal view. And balance for Pratyahar, Dharna, Dhyan and Samadhi should be followed after 65 to 70 years of age, when all your liabilities are almost over and you are a free bird. That time you can detach. Detachment doesn't mean that you detach from physical world. Detachment means internally you get detached. What is happening inside you is not getting affected by outside world. This is called detachment. Gentlemen, we have to enjoy this life. We are very lucky that we have got this body, human being. We have been taken birth as human being. So certainly we have to enjoy it to the full till 65 years of age. Enjoy the grihast life, and after that switch over to vairagya from inside, not from outside. So again, if you are doing all 8 pranayams daily and doing brisk morning walk daily without fail, then certainly you are going to enjoy the life which you have never imagined. No diseases, nothing. All the 8 pranayams are self-sufficient. They can heal you. Only the thing is, it needs time. See, most of us on weekends, we skip it. Today morning message also I have written that only, that don't skip, because you know in the initial speech conversation of this speech, I have told degeneration has increased, regeneration got reduced, and that's why aging is visible. See, Mr. Sanjeev Rai is again with me. He got retired this month, or last month rather, last month, and he is also getting motivated to do brisk morning walk, and now I am behind him that he should do all the 8 pranayams without fail, so that whatever has happened to his heart should get corrected. Am I right, sir?
Absolutely right.
Thank you. So again, this is a motivation to all that we are trying, boss. We are trying. See, I have suffered a lot. Almost 1 year I was out of office. Of course, with leaves it was regularized, no break in service. But during that period only I realized that if you recover, if you do all 8 pranayams and do brisk morning walk daily, nothing will happen to you till the last breath of your life. So gentlemen, again the message was, don't skip the morning chorus on weekends. Otherwise, again the toxins will grow inside you, and to nullify it, again you will take another 2 days. So 2 days toxins will develop, and 2 days you will nullify it. So effectively out of 7 days, only 4 days you are getting, not 3 days. So certainly a lot of people are telling to me that मैं तो सब करता हूँ लेकिन कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होता है. अरे भैया, तुम वीकेंड में जो गायब कर देते हो अपना इस कोरस को, उसके कारण सारा प्रॉब्लम है. इफ़ यू डोंट skip on weekends, you will find a huge difference in your health. Your health will improve like anything. Only the Guru Mantra is do all the 8 pranayams without fail daily, particularly Kapalbhati 15 minutes, Anulom Vilom 15 minutes, and brisk morning walk for 45 to 55 minutes, rather 1 hour, non-stop at a pace of 120 steps per minute minimum. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. It's a weekend. Again, it's an alarm for the people who are skipping the morning chorus on the weekends. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.